Hey there, so it's Kaz here today, and I'm going to jump into another e-commerce case study that we have prepared. So this particular store is in the fashion space, and when we first started out with them, they were only making around 8% revenue from email in total. Now within 30 days, we managed to triple that up to 23%. And it's a very big jump to make in 30 days. Let me kind of walk you through what we worked on. This particular e-commerce store, we're already using some kind of templated flows in Klaviyo, which is actually what we find a lot of our clients tend to do. And those flows, work, I guess, decently as well, but not as well as they should. They're very basic, they're very simple, nor do they have any kind of key psychological triggers or segmentation pieces involved, which is just fancy language for saying they weren't working to their full extent, right? Now, obviously, as most busy business owners are, they don't have time to kind of constantly be checking, split testing different flows, improving, testing subject lines, that kind of stuff. And Klaviyo isn't easy to learn in any way, shape, or form. So that's kind of where we stepped in. The current emails for this particular project were overcrowded and unappealing. So the click-through rates were low, it was too busy, it was like a wall of text, right? And nobody has the time or mental kind of capacity to run through walls of text. So we changed the designs and improved some of the content to make it a lot more simple, mobile friendly, and quite simply just stunning, right? Remove the multiple call to actions, the spamminess of them, replace them with one kind of call to action, and that very quickly already improved click-through rates for them, We managed to also update the pop-up, so it gave another further 10% discount on the first welcome email, which absolutely skyrocketed their placed order rate, right? It's a very simple way of hooking people that weren't necessarily ready to buy the moment they landed on your store. But if you can at least capture their email, you can guarantee they're going to come back. And that's really the true power of email. Adding an extra 23% revenue is no laughing matter, right? Regardless of the store or the volume of sales that you make. So when we applied this along with a lot of A/B testing elements, it really went a mile and a half in terms of boosting overall revenue. Now, obviously this was only after 30 days. You can imagine how the continual process managed to bump it up and up and up to a point where now they're generating over 100K a month from email alone. So with that considered, if you'd like to make this your very project, just reach out to us below and we'll take it from there. Cheers.